How to delete duplicate contacts on your iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video we are going to discuss how we can actually delete and resolve the duplicate contacts on our iPhone, so make sure to stick with me till the end. Now, the contacts application on our iPhone is really great, but it has some limitations, such as not being able to delete multiple contacts at once or not being able to resolve those duplicate contacts. How can we find out if there is a certain duplicate contact? Well, the default contact application on our iPhone does not let us do that. So instead what we're going to do is we're going to take help of a third-party application called Groups. Open up your App Store. In the search box type in Groups and make sure to download this application, which is the Groups app over here, which is available for completely free, which will help you manage contacts. Now you can just go ahead and launch the Groups application over here and make sure to allow the access. Now just go to the option called All Contacts, tap on All Contacts, or maybe just select All option here. Now after you select all the contacts over here, tap on the Choose Action option from the top. And now here you'll find different sort of options, but you'll also find the option called Resolve Duplicates. So now you can tap on Resolve Duplicates and the Groups application will automatically find all of the contacts that are duplicated with the same name and number, which makes things more confusing for you. So if you want to merge these contacts, just go ahead and then basically select them and then just select found two potential duplicates to be merged. So you can just tap on Yes option and make sure to also select all of these options here. After that, you can tap the merge option from the top right in order to go ahead and then basically merge all of these contacts. This way you will be able to delete duplicate contacts on iPhone. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in our next video.